So good evening everybody. Here is your Zero to Hero coach Mayur Soni, and today we have our wonderful guest, and she is my student, and she is a part of Zero to Hero community, and she is one of our students who has achieved the success, okay, from the zero level to hero. Because when she has joined, at that time she was actually in a very big fear, and every time she was asking me, sir, I have a great fear, I don't know how I will be speaking in front of camera. There are a lot of things with me. Okay. But when she has joined our masterclass program after the 5 days, and I have seen a lot of change, lot of development in her. And now she's a performer. Okay. She's a performer. And once she told me that the method which always I needed to speak, actually, I got from this program. So I warmly welcome you, Krishna. Welcome to the wonderful class today. So Krishna, please give your short intro,
Yes, my name is Krishna. I'm a pyramid Vastu consultant and Reiki and Pranic healer, and I live in Ahmedabad.
Very good. So Krishna, tell us something about your journey, that how you have joined this program, and what was the condition of your English before this program.
I was thinking of learning English speaking for a long time. I came across this course on Facebook, and I joined the first 5 days. Then after 1 month course, it helps me lots, and as a result of doing all the tasks, I was able to expand my vocabulary, and is also help me in pronouncing the words properly. So as a result, nowadays my communication skill with the new knowledge of English that I have learned from this zero to hero English class.
Okay, that's very good. So Krishna, tell us that what was the fear, because you were telling me about the fear. Okay, you are in a great fear, and you also mentioned about your
Yes, sir.
son, that you are having problem to communicate with him. Okay, so because today
Yes,
we have
yes,
also the many more new people. Okay, and they all have the kind of fear, and they believe, it means when we enter in something, so we feel this is impossible. Okay, so this was the same journey for you. So what was the condition before this program? What was the condition?
even I'm not able to speak in front of people and not even in front of a screen. I have a phobia of communicate with people and uh, speaking in fluently English.
In
But
front of camera also.
yes, sir.
Actually, what pushed you? Okay, what pushed you to perform? Okay, because as you told me that you were in a fear, you were not able
Yes,
to
yes,
speak a
yes.
single
I
sentence.
I wanted to learn English very eagerly. So that's why what motivated me to complete all the tasks and joining the English speaking course.
Okay, okay, very good. So how's the experience of the Zero to Hero class, Krishna? What about our community and experience?
Uh, as a result of doing this class, now I'm able to communicate with other people in English, and I enhance my vocabulary, and my fear, uh, like in front of people, was less, and some activities improving my all the speaking English.
Okay, superb, superb. That whatever you are communicating with me, okay, it's a total natural English. Okay, this is what we want. Okay, without any preparation.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I just sent a message to you that I want to invite in our special conversation session. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes, sir.
the way you are communicating is a total natural thing. Okay, the natural platform, which I always suggest to all the students, that you should be natural whenever you speak. Okay, so are you feeling this content in you, the
Yes, sir.
naturality?
Definitely, definitely, sir.
Okay, that's great. And what about the method? What about the course structure? How this course helped you? Please share with us.
Such an amazing and fabulous course, sir. Your techniques of learning English is too good, sir. Before I searching so many classes, but I am not satisfied with this those type of class.
Okay, superb, superb. So one thing, the special you like about this class, then what is the thing that you like most?
Sir, you started the class with a motivational story. This story, so many inspired to me and all the members of Success Group.
Very
And
good.
I like most, sir.
Okay, superb. And what about your son? That does he feel that now are you able to talk with him
Yes,
or not?
yes. He says
Definitely.
that mom, you are growing now in English.
Very good. So do you do communication with them?
Yes, sir. Sometimes
Okay, very good. And what about your family? Do the people feel change in you or not?
yes,
Okay, superb. And
they feel lots of.
okay, and do this the skill which you have acquired, okay, to communicate. So is it helping you in your business, in your communication with people?
Yes, sir. Lots of improvement in my business because of every client has a different language. Then English is a multinational language, so it's a very useful in my business and also learning new courses.
Okay, very good. So do you feel confident, okay, before and now after traveling from this program? So whenever you talk with your clients, okay, so do you feel confident while
Yes, sir.
communicating?
Yes.
Okay, okay. And
Hmm.
at the end, what you want to suggest to these people? Please mention all the things.
I suggest all the new members and new joinees. I'm saying to that who wish to learn English speaking fluently, complete all the tasks with dedication, and you will definitely get result, good result, and amazing result with great mentor like Mayur sir and Hardik sir.
And when you have joined, so at that time there were also many new members in our group. Okay, so have you made friends? Okay,
Yes,
like a community, zero to hero family.
yes,
Okay.
so many friends sir. Just like Mehul Soni and Nirali Bain
Yes.
and Access Bhai.
So dream comes true.
Yes, sir. With
So
zero to English.
okay. So tell us about your dream that you have achieved or not.
Yes, sir. Nowadays, I joined the new class of astrology, and
Okay.
it's my deep dream
Okay.
because class language is English. So before I can't join the class,
So are you
but
comfortable with that class now?
recently, yes,
Are you comfortable with that class now?
yes, yes, yes,
Superb, superb. So that's great. Okay. So this is the essence actually. When we develop a kind of skill, then the lot of opportunities actually automatically the gates will open. They will open for us. Okay. But we need to acquire the skill. And as you have told us that you are attaining the one class of astrology and you are feeling very uh, uh, easy to attend that those all the sessions which you are attending right now, so
yes.
it is very good. So some any interesting incident which happened with you while this course you want to share with us, that any special feeling, any special day, any special story, any special lesson, any special task, whatever
First day and first story.
the story pushed you that
Yes,
go and jump in the river.
and I complete all the tasks.
Yes. Okay. So Krishna, this is the reason actually this session for, because we have many more new students in this group. Okay. And they
Yes,
joined like you. But I want to ask you for them specially that how they can manage the time. Okay. But because you have also completed all the sessions. Okay. You have improved a lot in writing as well as in speaking. We have been communicating in this session since a long time. Okay, so it is very good. And to speak in front of your mentor, so we need a very high confidence to speak. Okay, and when you speak in front of people, so it becomes really very actually high to speak, because generally we speak, generally we get the kind of confidence and it becomes natural. But when you feel there are a lot of people who are listening me, okay, I am today as a guest, so kind of responsibility, so it becomes a pressure on us. So are you feeling this kind of pressure today?
Little bit.
Little bit. Okay, okay, it happens generally. Okay, but it is very good that you have developed in this way. So I want to ask you that what about your consistency, that how you have developed the consistency, okay, the day by day sessions. So please, and what was the timing to attend the class when you have joined this? At what time you were attaining?
Um, all the video lectures I seen in the early morning, and perform all the tasks before the next video.
Okay, so every day you were performing the task.
Yes, every day.
And what was the time to perform your task? At what time you were performing?
Um, like 4 p.m. or 5 p.m.
Okay, 4 or
I
5
have
p.m.
performed all. Mm.
Okay, okay. And one more thing that I want to ask you, that did you follow any other course, any other program with this program, or you have only focused on this program, that I want to learn from
No,
this
sir.
one?
No, sir. I had done my digital marketing course with
No, I'm
this.
talking about the speaking English, for speaking, for
No,
speaking.
sir. No, sir. First time I joined the class of you, sir.
And continuously you have followed this class.
Yes, yes, continuously.
Okay, so do you believe that the mission, the vision which was in your mind, okay, because when we meet the stranger, because at that time I was a stranger, okay, with you, because when we don't know about the people, that how will be the program, okay, which kind of mentor is this, okay, and will he complete his promises or not, okay, so sometimes it becomes very difficult when we enter in a kind of a stranger zone. So I believe that it was also a stranger zone for you, but after coming in this stranger zone, do you believe that the decision which you have made was good for you?
Yes, sir. It's my right decision to join the Zero to Zero English class. And one thing that I have joined first 5 days class, and then after first member who joined the next master class.
Yes, the first member. Okay, you were the
Yes,
first member in 5 days model who has joined the program.
yes,
Wow,
sir.
superb, superb. That's great. That's great. So Krishna, what is the formula of your success? Because there are many people, they want this formula. What is the formula for success in speaking English?
Yes, sir. Nothing special, but formula is that your dedication to your wish, um and follow the instruction of a mentor, and perform all the tasks, and um, give proper time to your eagerness. So uh, all get result perfect and
Superb,
proper.
superb, superb. So it is good to know that this communication is helping you in your business. Now you are able to attend any English
Yes,
program, okay, of your profession. You are talking
yes,
with your family, with your son, Okay, so I think it's a bada dhamaka in a chota package.
Yes, sir.
Okay, superb, superb. So I want to invite the people of our masterclass family. Okay, if anybody want to ask any question to you, Krishna, today, then she will give the reply of your question. Okay. So anyone who wants to ask question to Krishna? Yogendra Sri Chavda is saying your system is very effective. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you very much. Because we care our students, because I believe that the success of people, this is my success. Okay, I am very committed person and I am emotionally, okay, attached with you all. So when the people, they come in the program, so literally every day I think that what should I do for this people so they can develop. So you will find from the first day that Krishna has, I think she has joined in June or July. Okay, so it has been a long period, and she has completed all the sessions, and it is around about 4 to 5 months that we are communicating like this, Krishna, isn't it? Okay,
Yes,
because there was no any video communication between us, but I found the natural essence which we always want. Okay, so it is very good thing. So Krishna, tell us something about your family, that how many members in your family?
there are 5 members in my family.
Where do you live right now, in Ahmedabad or in Bharuch?
Now I'm in Bharuch.
Very good. And what about your son, that what does he do?
He's 11th.
Okay, super. So okay, so Krishna is the fourth person that we have invited in this program, and next week also Prahlad Kumar is coming. He is also one of our successful students. Okay, so there are many people will come in future also, but you will find the one thing in the base, that the system. Okay, if you follow the system 100%, okay, with the commitment, because you have a lot of things, you have prepared content, okay, everything you have, you will start from the words, okay, then step by step I will build your foundation, then you will go to the verb and all those things, then prepositions, then we will come to the tenses. Okay, then we will make a kind of a thought process in your mind. Okay, then you will have the chance that how you can prepare paragraphs. Okay, all the trainings, then you will be able to write your own speech. Then I will also help you that how you can present. Then also you have the lot of live sessions with a lot of excitement. Okay, so there are many more support from our side, isn't it? Agree or not, everybody? Type support in the comment, that from the first day I am committed for you or not. Everybody, please type support in the comment, that I am with you or not. So now what is your duty? What is your duty? Okay, your duty is to just, okay, flow in the way. Okay, don't worry about the setbacks, that we will fall, we will fail. Okay, everything will happen, but don't worry, when you have the right mentorship. Okay, and today I want to actually complete this conversation with a great sloka from Srimad Bhagavad Gita. At the end, બધું જ અર્જુનને સમજાવીને છેલ્લે શ્રી કૃષ્ણ ભગવાન એવું કહે છે, કારણ કે ઘણું બધું નોલેજ મળી જાય એટલે માણસ કન્ફ્યુઝ થઈ જાય, that what to do. તો કૃષ્ણ ભગવાન કહે છે, સર્વ ધર્માન પરિત્યજ્ય મામેકમ શરણમ વ્રજ અહમ ત્વમ સર્વ પાપે ભયો મોક્ષિષ્યામિ મ શુચઃ. It means કે હવે જેટલા શાસ્ત્ર, જેટલા વેદ, જેટલા પુરાણ તું ભણ્યો છે બધાને ભૂલી જા. હવે તારો સ્વધર્મ એટલો જ છે જે હું તને કહું એ ધર્મ. Everybody getting my point? So as your mentor, what I am telling to you, that the whatever the information, whatever the troubles, whatever the fears in your minds, okay, just remove all those fears. And what is your dharma? Everybody please tell me, what is your dharma?
Yes, sir. Thanks to you and Hardik sir to help me in my learning English journey. and I really appreciate the work you are doing, not just for me, but all the people who want to learn English speaking. Thanks a lot, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. And it is our duty, but we are doing with passion. Okay, we are very passionate, and I
Yes,
want to generate this kind of passion with the learners. Okay, I want to see a passion for learning. Whatever you learn, you need to have the passion. So, passion is the key. So, everybody, what is your dharma right now? Please, what is your dharma? What is your dharma if you are in this program for English? To follow the system. Okay, to attend our live sessions, the straight way method which can help you to build your foundation. And I guarantee you that આ જે પ્રોગ્રામ છે, ઓકે, આ જે પ્રોગ્રામ છે, આ તમને ખાલી સ્પીકિંગ લેવલે નહીં, એ તમારામાં વેલ્યુ એડિશન પણ કરશે. રાઈટ ઓર રોંગ, કૃષ્ણા? વેલ્યુ એડિશન પણ કરશે. It will
yes,
also
sir.
add value in you. Yes, Knowledge Kumar is very committed that complete course before deadline 31st December. That's dharma. So thanks a lot, guys, for joining this session. Thank you very much, Krishna, for joining this session and for giving your time